How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a chest fat workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be static push-up holds. This is a very good exercise, not only to increase the number of push-ups you can do, but to eliminate the chest fat. Yes, it is a static exercise, but still they are very good for all the things I just mentioned. We'll do 10-second holds. We'll do 10 sets. Let's get started. So again, to do a static push-up hold, you're just going to get into this position and hold this position just like this for 10 seconds. Boom. So this is my 7th video of the day, and after about my second or third video, my stomach really started to freaking hurt. So my stomach right now is killing me. My groin is killing me. But I still got videos to make. I still want to make the videos. I'd be very disappointed if I just had a bath right now and just slept it off. Like, it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna keep making videos, keep pushing through it. And yeah, again, it is very freaking sore. I just had some Pepto probably about an hour ago. I might take some more. I think there is a limit that you can take, but just gonna keep pushing through it. That's all you really can do. We will do another. And again, this is my passion, making YouTube videos. Look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but that forearm is starting to look really shredded. Sorry, I had to say that. Okay, so again, this is my passion, making YouTube videos. So just like at the gym, your guys' passion is the gym. Mine is the gym too, except for I'm doing it at home now. So I do my workouts at home. That's how I actually did it for a very long time until I actually moved to the city. Again, I was born in a small town. Didn't have no gym anywhere close. The nearest gym was probably 2 hours away. So I had a power rack in my basement, all the weights, 600 pounds worth of weights and all that stuff. So out of my 10 years of lifting weights, about 7 years were in my basement. So I am now doing it at home. I'm just doing calisthenics, no weights. I actually sold all my weights to my brother. And yeah, just doing this, and this is keeping me in very, very good condition. The reason why I sold all my weights, well, number one, I got a really, really good deal on them. Because again, my brother really wanted them. So I made sure everything that I had, whatever I bought full price, I gave everything to him for half price. He is my brother. I'm not going to screw him over on a weight set. So again, I gave him everything I had. I gave him I have a $600 weightlifting bar, a York. A York is extremely expensive. It might even be more than 600. It might even be like $1,000. Like, it is a very expensive bar. And then I have a power rack. That was pretty expensive, 600 pounds worth of weights, which generally $1 per pound. I had some other stuff, and I had a ton of like dip belt, custom dumbbell, just all different kinds of weightlifting stuff. So we got a really good deal on it. And yeah, now I train at home and I love it. The thing is, you can't do it if you're powerlifting. If you're powerlifting, you obviously need to train with weights. Bodybuilding, you can get away with calisthenics. Oh my God, my stomach is hurting. But yeah, I still work out. All these workout tutorials that I am doing for you guys, this is considered my workouts for the day too. So yeah, just gonna keep killing it. This is my passion. So like a lot of people, their passion going to the gym, even if they're sick, they're gonna go to the gym. I was the same way. Even if I was sick, I'd train. So just like now, my stomach killing me, my passion is YouTube videos. I'm still gonna make my YouTube videos. Okay. And this exercise puts a ton of pressure on your core. Like, this is a core exercise. So, I mean, I've done 2 ab workouts already today, and this exercise does put a lot of pressure on your core. So, probably not helping my stomach at all. But yeah, I was talking to my, I'll just show you guys how lean I'm getting. So my arm, so we're getting pretty decent, getting nice striations. I don't know if you guys can see my forearms, doing pretty good. I have dropped 24 pounds. I started at 206 in the morning. I'm now sitting at 182 in the morning. 182.6. Oh, my stomach, you hear it growling. Okay. But yeah, 24 pounds dropped. Goal is to 170. The minute I see 170 in the morning, I am completely done. Probably closer to 170.2. I don't want to be 170.8. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Time you go back to eating maintenance, your water weight's gonna add 3 or 4 pounds, 5 pounds, pretty easy. So maybe I'll stop when I hit 169. If I hit 169, then I'll stop, because I haven't been below 170 in a year and a half. So again, I want to hit 170, but maybe I'll hit 169. We'll see. I don't know. I don't really want to go below 170, but I mean, what the hell is an extra pound, right? Oh. But yeah, losing weight is not that hard to do. A lot of people struggle because what they do is they don't. I would say 90% of people struggle because they don't track their calories. And what happens if you don't track your calories is you either eat too much or you don't eat enough. So what your body will naturally do is, if you let's say one day you accidentally don't eat enough, the next day you're probably going to consume too much. And then what happens is that's just break even. So your body will kind of tell you, your body wants to maintain homeostasis. So your body wants to maintain its weight. Your body does not like gaining weight. It does not like losing weight. Your body hates change. Your body wants to stay exactly the same. So if you guys are just going by hunger, and that's what a lot of people do, they will go based on hunger. So if they're hungry, they'll have some healthy foods. So they'll eat, and they'll eat until they're full. So they might have some peanuts, they might have this. But if you're not tracking your calories, you have no idea in heck what you're eating. There are times during my this cut, that I was hungry at night, but I hit my calories, so I could not eat. There were times where I was about 600 calories below my calories for the day, and I was full. I still ate to hit my calories. So going based on hunger is the worst thing that you can possibly do for losing weight, because what will happen is one day you'll eat too much, one day you'll eat too little, one day too much, one day too little, maybe a couple of days of maintenance. All that happens is you just get back to maintenance. You're just break even again. So it's really pointless if you don't track your calories. And weight loss, this video is on chest fat, but to get rid of your chest fat, you gotta lose weight. That's kind of the point of it. That's why I'm talking about weight loss with you guys. And yes, at 206, I had a decent amount of chest fat on me. That was the peak of my bulk. And now at 182, I have very, very minimal chest fat. When I get to 170, I'm probably gonna have like no chest fat. So if you're looking to lose weight, track your calories. That's all I can say. If you track your calories, you're gonna be 90% ahead of most people. And that's literally all there is to it. And I preach this over and over again, track calories, track calories. And even some of the clients that I'm training, some of them still don't track their calories. And the people that do track their calories I got a couple of people that are doing really well. They're tracking their calories. They're losing weight like crazy. The other people that aren't are not losing anything. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.